Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys today, and I hope that you will join me. I found some more goodies. This haul is mostly Christmas, let me just warn you. Beware, it is a Christmas haul with a few craft items attached. Let's begin. Let's start today's haul with these. Look at this. Aren't they adorable? They are cute. Even the license plate, look at that. It says Christmas. It is so cute. These are called, let's see, DIY LED ornament. Oh, they're so pretty. I fell in love. I am really happy with my Dollar Tree. Look at this. Amazing. I bought 5. I couldn't help myself. Oh, such a good find. Really, really happy with that. Okay, so let's get all the wooden items out of the way. Oh my goodness, Dollar Tree is doing a fantastic job. I found color your own ornaments. And then these again are laser cuts, but look how thin this one is. See there? Oh my goodness. And you know, when you look at it, it doesn't just look flat, does it? It looks like it's actually curved. Look at that. I love the effect of the ornament. Oh goodness, so you get 5 in a package. And I bought 2. I don't know. I may have to go grab some more. Oh, and then, oh, you gotta see this one. Let me show you this first. You get 3 in a bag. And then this is called Color Your Own Decor. I don't know why. But look. Ha! It's the gnome. Oh my goodness, I bought 3 packages. Oh, look at that. So cute. I know it's decor, but it has that little, see the hole there? You can definitely make this into an ornament. Oh my goodness. And it comes with its own gold cording. Look at that. And then you got markers in case you need to, you know, you don't have any markers of your own or whatever. Oh my goodness. Cute. And then, oh, look at this. And then this one has 5 pieces. Ooh, let me show you. Look at that. It's the truck with the tree in the back. Oh my goodness. And then this one comes with jute cording. I only bought 1 package of this one. And, oh, and then this one has 8 pieces. And then this one is called Color Your Own Ornaments also. And it is, look, the Christmas tree. And this one is so, oh my goodness, they're also really thin. Look at that. Oh, so goodness, goodness, goodness. So this is the Christmas tree one. I have such good plans for these. Oh my goodness. So I bought 2 packages of the trees. I need the one more of the little trucks. This is the only one that was on the shelf. And I found this in the toy section. Somebody had changed their mind. And, you know, lucky me, I got it. Yes. So, and then on ornaments, look at this. Gnome for the holidays. Oh, so cute. I am not going to even mess with this one. I'm going to leave it as it is and use it as it is. Oh, so cute. There's this one. And then there's this one. Look at that. It says Merry Christmas from our gnome to yours. Oh, so cute. So adorable. So cute. So we have two. I wish there was a third one. That would be even better. Dollar Tree. Where's the third one? So those are my ornaments. Now, we're not done with ornaments yet. Oh, look at this one. You get 6 pieces. I got the brown, I've got the gold, and the white. Now these are antlers. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that. You know what I was thinking? I was a little dog from Dr. Seuss, right? Here's the gold one. And there's the white one. Look at that. So cute. I got 1 package each. Oh my goodness. I love these. They're so cute. Now, why I only got 1 package each, I don't know. My brain just didn't malfunction while I was in the store. That's the only explanation I have. I really should have grabbed a couple of bags each. But you know what? I still have time. I can go back to Dollar Tree and grab me another bag each of the antlers. I've never seen these anywhere, to tell you the truth. So I should have grabbed, yeah, definitely I'm going to get some more. So that's you're going to see that again in one of my hauls. And then, oh my goodness, let me show you. I found, look at these ornaments. Aren't they so, I love them. They're navy blue. I found it in the glitter. There was only one, so I picked that one up. And I found the glossy one. I bought 2 of these. These are the big ornaments. They're, I don't know, 4-inch. Oh my goodness. I like it. Sorry about the halo there. But oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I love the dark blue. I got the 3 large ones. I need some more large ones. So I will be shopping for that. And then I found it in the little ones. And then these are what, like 2-inch bulbs? So I got the shiny ones. I got 2 of those, 2 of the shiny ones. And I got 2 of the glittered ones. Oh, I love these colors. Anyways, I don't know. Dollar Tree, thank you. Okay, so the next item I found these wood planks. You get 6 pieces. And look, it comes with, is this a reclosable bag? Hold on, let's take a look. It looks to be its own reclosable bag. Yep, it sure is. If I can get it open. There we go. So we get 6 of these. Look at that. Nice. And then these are, let me measure it right quick for you. It does, oh, it does say, sorry. It does say on here. Okay, so look at this. Nice. And the size on this is 7.1 by 2.8 inches. It's a nice size. Reusable bag. I found it in this one, and then I also found it in the squared one. So this one is 4 by 5 square. Let me open this one too right quick. Now see there? Look at that. They are both the same thick. No, actually, the squared one is a little thicker. Look at that. Interesting. Or maybe not. Nope. Well, that's weird. If you look at it from the side, the square one looks thicker, but if you put it up against each other, it's the same thickness. Quite interesting. But I like them. So you get 6 squared ones also. Nice. I like this. So many possibilities. And then I have one last item I picked up for the week. This is a Hallmark card. Look at that. That is really pretty, isn't it? It says, I love sharing Christmas with you. So cute. Look at that. Very nice. And on the inside, this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I don't know. I'll probably just leave it as it is. So cute. I don't know. I may DIY it. Save it for myself. I haven't decided yet. But it is really pretty. This is my Dollar Tree haul for this week. And I hope I was able to help you in deciding which wooden ornament you would like to pick up, which antlers to get. Oh my goodness, there's so much here, so much possibilities to make your Christmas decorating so fantastic. I hope you guys find what you are looking for this year at your local Dollar Trees. Thank you for stopping by to watch my Dollar Tree haul this week. Again, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.